Class 3, good morning. I'm audible and visible to everyone. I'm audible and visible to everyone. Okay, quickly come to the math magic book. Quickly come to the math magic book, and this is my request to everyone. Mute your microphone because I can hear whatever you are saying, and you will not be able to hear what I am saying. So, students, kindly mute your microphone. Everyone, mute your microphone. And open page number 91 of your Maths Magic. Math Magic book, page number 91. Orindom, switch off your front camera. Okay, for Math Magic, page number 91, the last two questions I have told you to do it as homework. And we will discuss that two questions in our next class, isn't it? I think you all have completed that homework. Yes, yes, very good. See, number F, it was 60 minus 20. Number F, 60 minus 20. How you have done? 60 minus 20. How you have done? First of all, you have started from 20 plus 10 is 30, isn't it? Then 30 plus 10, 40. Next, 40 plus 10, 50. Next, 50 plus 10 is 60, isn't it? So what you have written? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equals to 40. So 60 minus 20 is equals to 40, isn't it? Like this way you have written. Now the next one, number G, 90 minus 50. Oyantika, I have told you that this type of sum you will not do it directly. You have to show this addition part. Okay. You have to show this addition part and then you have to write the answer. You will not do it directly. G, 90 minus 50 is equals to dash. This is also same. You will start from 50. So 50 plus 10, you will go to 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 70 plus 10, 80. Next, 80 plus 10 is 90, isn't it? Again the same thing. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equals to 40. So 90 minus 50 is equals to 40. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 40. And so you will write 90 minus 50 is equals to 40. So 90 minus 50 is equals to 40. Clear? I think you all have completed this one, isn't it? It was very easy. Now come to page number 92. Page number 92, there is one story. I'm going to read that story. You just listen it. Okay. All the king's horses. Once there was a king who could count only up to 9. Up to what number can you count? Yes, there is a very interesting question. See, there was a king and he used to count only up to 9. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. That's all. He can count only 9 things. After that he is not able to count. Okay. Now this thing is with you also. You are also doing the same thing, that you are how much you can count. It is not like that king, isn't it? Okay. Now come to the next one. The king loved horses, but he could never count all of them. He kept them in such a way that he needed to count only up to 9 from each side. Now the king, he has some horses, as you know. So he used to keep these horses in such a way that he could count 9 from all the sides. From wherever he is counting, he could count only 9. Okay. Now see, in the first, look to the picture. In the first frame there are 3 horses, then next 3, again 3. So 3 plus 3, 6, and again 3. That means if you count horizontally, then also 3. If you are counting vertically, then also it is 3 plus 3 plus 3, it is 9. Okay. So wherever you will count, horizontally as well as vertically, it will be 9. Here it is given. Now how many horses in all did the king have? Quickly write the answer. Quickly write the answer. How many horses do the king have? Avantika has written 24. Is it 24? Exactly, it is 24. So in the blank given in your copy, in the book, write 24. Just now. Okay, written 24 in the book. Written 24 in the book. Yes. All of you have written in the book. Now come to the next page, page number 93. Come to page number 93. One day, a visitor with 4 horses came there. It was getting dark, so he wanted to stay there at night. But the horse keeper was scared. If the king saw these extra horses, he would be very angry. The visitor said, "Do not worry, the king will never know." So he arranged the horses like this. Now see, one day what happened? One visitor, he came to their place and he has 4 horses. Now what he has done, he has to keep that 4 horses, isn't it? He has to keep that 4 horses in that stable only. So he wanted to keep that 4 horses in the stable. But the horse keepers, that means the person who are there and they are watching the horses, they said, "No, the our king, he will not allow us to do this." Okay. But the visitor told that, "Don't worry, I will keep the horses in such a way that the king, he will not be able to understand whether it has some extra horses or not." Okay. So what he has done, see, he has arranged in 2 plus 5 plus 2, like this way. Then also, if you are counting 2 plus 5 plus 2 horizontally as well as vertically, it will be 9, isn't it? It will be 9. See the picture. It is given 2 plus 5 plus 2. Again 2 plus 5 plus 2, horizontally as well as vertically. Now how many horses are there now? Count and tell me. Exactly, it is 28. It is 28. So write in the blank. How many horses are there now? Write 28. Write 28. Now come to the next one. At night, the king came to count the horses. Along each side, he counted 9 horses. Ah, that's fine, he said. Then he happily went to sleep. So, as usual, the king came to the round at the night and he counted that there are 9 horses from all the sides. That means horizontally as well as vertically, it is 9 horses. So, the king was very happy and he said, ah, that's fine. And after that, he has gone for sleep. Okay, now turn the page, come to page number 94. Come to page number 94. In the morning, the clever visitor tried another trick. Now, the visitor, he was very cunning and very clever. So, he tried the another trick. What he has done? He took out his own 4 horses, but he also ran away with some of the king's horses. Now, what he has done? He has taken his 4 horses as well as he has taken some more horses from the king's stable. Okay. He left the king's horses standing in this way. Now what he has done? He has arranged the horses and he had led them to stand like this. It is 4 plus 1 plus 4. The silly king did not find any horse missing. Can you help him? Now again he is arranged the horses like 4 plus 1 plus 4 horizontally as well as vertically both. So then also it is 9, isn't it? 4 plus 4 8 and plus 1 9. So when the king is counting horizontally as well as vertically, he is getting the answer as 9. That means from his point of view he is correct that my 9 horses are already in the stable. But actually the visitor, he has taken some more horses. Now can you tell me how many more horses he has taken? And how many horses are left now? How many horses are left now? Exactly. It is 20 horses left. So where it is given a blank, you write 20. How many horses are now left? There you write 20. Now the next question. How many of the king's horses were taken away? Now how many of the king's horses he has taken? It is 4. It is 4. Actually in the beginning it was 4, isn't it? Sorry, it was 24. In the beginning the total number of horses with the king was 24. After that after that the visitor came and he kept more 4 horses. So the total horses was 28, isn't it? And at the last when the visitor was going, he has taken his 4 horses plus 4 horses of the king. Okay. So in the answer you will write that how many of the king's horses were taken away. There you will write as 4. There you will write as 4. Clear to everyone? Now after that there is a puzzle you will solve of your own. The puzzle. It is very easy puzzle. You will solve of your own and then you will tell me the answer. What numbers are we? If you add us both, you get 100. The difference between us is also 100. It is very easy. Just think. Just means 0 plus 0 is 100. No, it is not like that. 0 plus 0 is 100. When you add the numbers, that time you are getting 100. When you subtract the number, then also you are getting 100. So what the numbers will be? How it is 50? But the difference is also the same. Is it 50 minus 50? You are getting 100. No, na? Yes. The two numbers will be 0 and 100. 0 plus 100, 100. And 100 minus 0, 100. Think of your again. Okay, now come to chapter number 7. Time goes on. Everyone come to page number 95. Put today's date. Everyone come to page number 95 quickly and put today's date. Today's date. Green, switch off your front camera. Time goes on. Chapter number 7. Noreen, switch off your front camera, beta. Time goes on. Since the heading of the chapter is telling you that this chapter is related to time, okay, so in the composite maths you will relate it and then you will practice it. So let us start the chapter time. I'm reading, you just go through it. Ulta Pulta time. This is a story with topsy turvy time. Okay, uh, just we have to mention it. As the sun sets, dash Shumona wakes up. So what you will write? Shauri, it is wrong. I have already told you the answer. You have to take the same numbers. The same numbers when you will add, that time it will be 100. The same numbers when you will subtract, that time it will be also 100. Okay. Shauri, is it okay to you? Yes. As the sun sets, dash Shumona wakes up. What you will write there? What you will write there? Evening. Why morning? The sun is setting in the morning or evening? Listen, in page number 96, there are some words given. Okay. In page number 96, there are some words given. You have to choose the words from there and then you have to fill the blank. Is it clear? You have to choose from page number 96. In page number 96, some words are given in the pink box. You have to choose from that box and then you have to write the answers in the blank. Okay. So, as the sun sets, dash Shumona wakes up. What you will write? What you will write? I'm again reading. As the sun sets, dash Shumona wakes up. What it will be? Think what it will be. Exactly, it will be rises, not sets. That is wrong. Okay, so it will be as the sun rises. Okay, but there it is given sets. It will be rises. As the sun rises, Shumona wakes up. What a lovely evening. What it will be? It will be morning. It will be morning. Yes. So, in place of the blank given, write it morning. Actually, just to puzzle you, type of the words are given. You have to think properly and then you have to answer. Okay. That's why I was just reading the first line once, many times. Just for this reason, so that you can understand. Okay, so as the sun rises, Shumona wakes up. What a lovely morning. She washes her face fast in 2 hours. She's exactly. So write it down. 2 minutes. It will be 2 minutes, not 2 hours. It will be 2 minutes. And runs out. She goes straight to the bird's nest. She had been watching the eggs for the last few months. What it will be? Few seconds. No. What it will be? It will be few days. It will be few weeks. Few weeks. She was waiting for the baby bird to come out. But before she can blink her eyes, in a week, what it will be? In a what? In a second. In a second. In a second, a cat jumps onto the tree. It will be second. But before she can blink her eyes, in a second, a cat jumps onto the tree. The mother bird cries loudly and Shumona rushes to shoo away the cat. So the mother bird she is crying after seeing this type of thing, and the girl Shumona, she just rushes after the cat. As the cat jumps, it hits the big green mango. Dum. And as the cat jumps, just a big mango hits in his hit to the cat, and there is a loud sound. Dum. You can see in the picture. Isn't it? Now the next one. In 2 days, dash it is on the ground. It will be in 2 days. Or what it will be? It will be in 2 minutes. It is on the ground. Oh, how sad. The mango is still not fully ripe. Now she is saying the mango is not fully ripe. Means still it needs some time to ripe. It needed one more dash to become sweet. One more year. Or one more week. One more week to become sweet. Suddenly, Shumona's sister calls out, "Are you still not hungry? Has your stomach clock gone to sleep? Come and eat hot upma for dinner." Is it for dinner? In the morning you are doing dinner. It will be breakfast. It will be breakfast. Okay. Understood? See, in the picture also you can see there is the story. So you have to write the exact word from the box given. Okay, some words are given wrong. In place of that, you have to write the correct word from the given boxes. Is it clear to you? Okay, now come to the next topic. Page number 96. Wasn't that funny? You must have guessed that the colored words are wrong, isn't it? Choose the correct word from the box given below and write it next to the wrong word. You have already done. Now, how long does it take? Have you seen something knitting a sweater? Someone knitting a sweater or someone weaving a cloth? Do try to find out from a potter how long it takes to make a pot. Also tell us if you take hours or minutes to have your bath. Is it years? Is it years since you last had a bath? My God, what a question. It is not like that, isn't it? Here some activities are given. You have to observe that in these activities how much time consumption is there. Okay. Now think of many different things that can take different time. Make your table as long as you can. Now here some activities are given, and you have to mention what time it takes to do it. Okay. Suppose a bath, it takes a minute, isn't it? Then takes hours. It is to stitch a shirt. To stitch a shirt, it takes hours. Next, take days. That means the maximum days it is taking. The activity which takes number of days. It is to knit a sweater. Similarly, take minutes. Boil milk. To boil a milk, takes it takes some minutes to boil the milk. Okay. Next one. What can you write? What can you write? More things. To brush the teeth. Very good. It takes minutes. You can write. Okay, write it there. To brush teeth. To brush the teeth. Take minutes. To brush the teeth. To fill a bucket of water. To fill a bucket of water. To fill a bucket of water. It takes minutes. In the first column you write. Take minutes. In that column you write. I am writing number 3rd. To brush the teeth. To fill the bucket with water. And to prepare a cup of tea. So these are the activities which takes minutes to complete. Okay. Which takes minutes to complete. Now takes hours. First it is given to stitch a shirt, to set curd, a school day, and what you can write? What can you write? To paint a house. Very good. To paint a house. And fourth one. To paint a house. And you can write to clean a house. It also takes hours. And what more? To play. You can write to play. You are not taking minutes to play. You are taking hours to play, isn't it? You can play any game like cricket, football, the outdoor games. It takes minutes. Okay. Sorry, it takes hours. Yes. The next one, take days. This you try of your own. We will discuss in our next class. This you try of your own. We will discuss in our next class. Take days. What are the activities that take days to complete? Okay. Okay, students. Today up to this only. You don't miss this. You don't miss this one. Try to practice the time once more in your copy. Okay. That means whatever activities we have written, try to write in your copy also. And once more you read it. Once more you read it. Listen, English class, it will be there.